Now, once I've written my code, often I want to stop people from being able to get into my code and possibly changing things and damaging things. So what you can do is you can protect your code, that they can't view your code and therefore can't change it. What I might do is just grab this chapter 4 file that I've got open and save it as chapter 16. So I'll just go File, Save As, chapter 16. Okay, now if I want to stop people from being able to get into this code, what I'll do is I'll go to the Tools command in the menu in the Visual Basic Editor, and I'll go into VBA Project Properties. And it's in here under Protection that you can actually lock the project from being viewed. And if I felt that somebody was going to try and view it, I'd put a password. So I might just put CB in lowercase, Cathi Barker, and CB again to confirm. Now when I go OK, nothing really happens until I close and save this file, chapter 16, and then open it again. So let's go File, Close, and Save Yes, Save. Now let's open up chapter 16, and when I go to the Visual Basic Editor, I can't see the code. And when I go to hit the plus, I'm immediately asked for the password. And so if they don't know the password, they can't get into the code. So I'd have to type CB and OK to be able to get into the code and see my various modules. You can equally go to Tools, VBA Project Properties, and under Protection you can remove the password so that they can see the code, or you can see the code. And I'll go OK and save. So you may consider doing that as well. Once you know everything is working, you've added all your error handling, as a last step you may actually protect and lock from viewing your code so that people can't get in there and change it without knowing the password.